Okay, so my viewers, people, all right. I did in my first video, I told you that I was going fishing today. Now we are at Winnie. Actually, we're in Port Arthur, close. We're pretty close to where we're going to fish today. And I did mention my good fishing companion, my fishing partner, Sarah over there. That's Sharon, right?
Hi.
Yeah. All right, so people, I told her, she feel like, she better than me, them say, anytime the students, start beat up the teacher, especially in the karate show, and then the student will start give the teacher some punch, and the teacher say, what? Where you get that from? Time for her to go a road on her own. She turned loose long time. Big up yourself, Sharon. Yeah. All right, so my people, we're here, and we're at a Valero gas station. This is where we buy our bait. This is our bait shop, right, Sharon?
Right.
Yeah.
That's
so
our bait shop.
We did like about a hour and more than an hour drive here. We still have some more journey to cover before we reach our destination, right? Our favorite little spot. I'm not even gonna call the name, right? Because I don't want people crowding my little spot, I'm talking Houston people and people in the area, Not you guys in Jamaica or anywhere else, because I would like you guys to be here too, join us, and take us to our little favorite spot. But here in Houston, I don't want to establish this thing too much, because our little favorite spot that, Yeah, man, we can put on with pot and go at that spot.
Yeah.
And we have fish, right?
All the time.
All the time, right? Yeah. You see it. So anyway, we're gonna show you a little thing right now. So alright, Sharon, I say time for bait?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, so anytime we travel out and we do the thing, man, see what thing there. See all of the M16 and AK-47 and what you call it, the 9mm them, see them now?
Yeah, man. The big boys in
and
it.
You see, big cooler for big fish. Little cooler, little cooler for juice and water and little refreshment and thing like that. Alright, so this is where we buy our bait, and a regular bait shop, Yeah, they have a lot of stuff inside here, a lot of stuff. Anyway, let's go to the back where we get our live shrimp. Right here, see, we have a lot of containers here. 1, 2, and there's another room over there with some more. And we're getting our live shrimp this morning. This morning, this morning we're gonna get like 4 quarts of live shrimp. My brother, we're from Jamaica, right? If you want to introduce yourself,
My name is Adnan. I'm the owner's son for this place.
Oh, you're the owner's son. I didn't even know that. All right, so nice meeting you, man. All right, peeps. No, this is it. Sorry we never show you when we start, when we get here. But soon as we get here, this is it. You want to come a little closer and let me see. This is it, man. Show them. See? All right, look at that. You see that? Right now, I'm hooked up on a fish, and it's a huge one, right? I can't even surface it right now. Hooked up on another one. That one on the truck.
Yeah.
Something is on that one too.
Wow.
But this one, we gotta pay attention to this one. See? Watch. Look at the reel. This one is huge. And it's fighting. It's pulling really, really pulling hard. And I suspected that this one is a black drum.
For real?
Sorry, Sharon, but it's a black drum.
No! I want a big red.
Yeah, and I'm not fighting it. I'm giving it all the time. One. All right, here it is. Here it is. Now I need my net. All right, peeps. This is how we do it here in Houston. First one for the morning. Catch me now. Yeah. Alright. God damn it. Oh. Oh. Yes. Alright. So, people, I tell you that you're in for some action, right? You're in for some real action. You're getting your money's worth when you watch Jamaican in Houston live TV, right? So this is it. Now this one is probably about all right. So here we are, and this, as I suspected, it was a black drum. It is a black drum, right? So I know the fight. I know the feeling when you catch a fish. I know how they react when you hook them. You know, not everything, not 100%, but I can actually tell here in this water when I catch a black drum from a red or a flounder or a croaker, right? Even the catfish, because the catfish they pull hard, they spin. But this one is a black drum, and guess where it is going? Back into the water. I'm joking. This one is going straight into a cooler, right? And because this one is, I'm going to measure it and let you see how long it is. Because here in America we don't really go by weight. We don't determine the keepers by weight. We determine by the length. Yeah. So, oh my God, this one, it well caught, you know, right in the corner of the mouth, of the lip, right there. You see it? Well caught. I need my pliers. All right, it look like, feel like it coming out. Yeah, got it out. Right, there you go. All right. So, people, I'm gonna try to lift this one up, you know, but it's heavy, it's big, huge.
Push your hand under the gill.
Humongous.
Push your finger under the gill.
Alright. There you go. Alright, people. Yeah, Jamaican in Houston. And then where we go? We kill them, right? A yard we kill them. A brad we kill them, right, Sharon?
Yeah.
Alright, so this one going into the cooler. But before we go into the cooler, we're going to measure it. Because might have to tag this one because it might be oversized. And when they are oversized, you can keep one oversized of each species. One oversized fish of each species. I mean, like
one drum.
You have, I think it's from 17 inches to 28 inches. Anything over 28 is considered oversized. I hope I'm giving the right information, right? But I'm sure that we can only keep one oversized, and we have to label it, we have to tag it, right?
Yeah.
So this is how we're going to do it. My rag. I always put my rag up there, so you see? Yeah. So I need to get my tape measure. Oh, brother, right here. Okay. So this is my scale. I have this little handy dandy scale. It's not just a scale, it's also a tape measure. Pretty old, but it still works. Alright, so let's get on to it, Sharon. Let me see what we got here. And while I was fighting this fish, there was something else on that other rod, the one that hooked up on the truck. Alright. But let's get to this one first and get him away, get him put away. So my tape measure is now going to show me read feed me from the tip of the lip. Oh my God. Tell me that my tape run out. Jesus Christ. No. My tape done. I have to go get my contractor tape in another truck. Alright, this one 36 right here. And this one is about 39 inches because it's about 3 more inches. 3 more inches, yes. That's 39 inches long.
Is it too big?
People, that's 39 inches long. Alright. So we're gonna tag this one. We're gonna tag this one. Because we're not going to throw away our first catch, right?
Nope.
Never you throw away your first catch. So here in Texas, I have to pull my license, right? See, this is my license, and the tags are on this. So I write up my tag and I tag it, because if the game warders come on here and I catch it and I don't tag it, then you know there are penalties, and it's not nice penalties, right? So alright, we have another person coming. Alright, so peeps, there it is, right? Each one of those sections is a tag. So I'm gonna use one of my tag right now, and let me use this one. So this is what I do. Rip one off. Come on, go right out here. So, right. Yeah. So the first catch is an oversized. It's oversized, so we're allowed to keep one of each species. So I'm going to put a tag on this one, you know, for safety's sake and for the right thing, doing the right thing, you know. Right, Sharon? When we come out here, we just do the right thing, you know.
Of course, all the time. No violation.
So, alright, next thing is get my knife. Alright, so I'm going to use a hook, right? Don't need no knife, I'll use a hook.
You get your pen?
Oh yeah, need to write it up. Right. So, thing is, on the tag, it asks you what county, the county that you caught, the fish is caught, and the name of the person. You write your name and the county. That's all it asks for, right? Some of the tags they add, and then down here it shows the time in this little section right down here, the date. I think it's a date or something like that, right? And you tick off. It's now July, right? And it's July. We're in July right now, so it's July. So we're going to punch July. We're going to write our name, and we're going to put the county, right? Say print name and place where killed in ink, right? So that's what we're going to do, because we want to make sure that we're on the safe side, right? Alright, so pen. I am going to write this up, so you know the county. I will put that in later on, because we're not, if it was in Texas, we're in Texas, but if it was over in Houston, then we know our counties over there. But this is in Port Arthur, so
We're gonna have to find that
I'll
out
find
later.
that out. So alright, so George Wilson, I put the county in later on, and I just X out the month that it is caught. Alright, so some people use a string and stuff like that, but what I'm gonna do is quickly do this. You know, this is a way that I think about doing. Sometimes I got thought of it and I say, you know what, for quick, because we're wasting time right now. You know, hook, and then I have that like that, I do like this, and fish is tagged. Alright, so there it is. I got my tag on. Oh shucks, my neighbor about. Anyway, I'll fix that later on. I have a tag on it, and that's it. Cooler.
Good time.
Fish casket, fish casket. Come on, big boy. And, oh my God. You know what? That's a fish casket. We're still on the waterfront, doing our thing, doing what we do best. Alright, so I'll show you right here. So inside this cooler, I'll show you what we're going on so far, you know, because we actually take a break off the video, you know, just to attend to the lines because they were biting so hard, you know. So right now, see, we got croakers, we got blue crabs. I don't mess with blue crabs, but you know, I know somebody that eats it, you know. This one is pretty live, you know, see. Yeah, just farming dead, but it's live. And there I got a nice red right there, and that's a sheep's head right there. That one is a sheep's head, and we got a couple more, you know. But cooler, not looking bad so far. Yeah, not looking bad so far. What you say, Sharon?
Nothing.
Yeah, nothing. I say waiting for the big bite.
They got my bait, man.
They took your bait?
Yeah.
Alright, well, bait up and go again.
Yeah.
Because we know them out there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember I told you about my rod holder, see? That's it. Doing its job, right? And something is messing with my line. If you notice, if you look at the tip of my rod up there, you know, you see some movements. Yeah, you see a little movement right here, but might be a croaker. Might be a croaker on it, but you know, as I say, we are here and not gonna capture everything, but we're doing our thing, you know. See, sure, she do her thing there. She do her thing, man. She know her stuff. She know her stuff, and then when she casts out, watch her now. Yeah, stick up her rod in a rod holder, you know, and right away, what's gonna happen now? Sharon get bite, you know, Sharon get bite already. But we wait for the big drag them, you know. When them little bunks, you know, is that, you see? Yeah, if you look at that, you can see. That is pulling, that's croaker messing around, you know. But wait on the big pull them, you know, and then the rat bend down and them start peel off, you know. Them little pull, you know, just ignore them. If them fasten themselves on it, then you don't know, we take them in, you know. I watch our throat, I wonder.
Oh, come on, God, man.
Alright.
I need to fix it.
Alright, so fix the thing and come.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see she clear her line off of the rod tip, you know. Then she pinch and release. Jesus. Watch finger now. Watch finger now. Pinch line and open up the deal. Yeah. See there? Out and bad, watch. You see it there? Alright, my friend. Oh yeah, the whole one there? Yeah, it's gonna get some bite. Like a bunks, you know, croaker thing. But, you know, let me see. Why you strike one? Why you strike one and take in one, you know? Yeah, backside, look up there, sir. Massa. Whoa. Well, pay attention to Sharon now. Fish are mad up this line up here, so. People, look at that. Look at that. Watch. No fish is on this one. And something on it, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Work it.
Let's see what this is.
Thing me no want.
It looks like it's a croaker.
Yeah. You see, you start studying the feeling of them too, eh? Oh, it's a small red. People, she can't see.
This is a towel.
Yeah, see, that's a red. It's a small red. Yeah, actually that off the hook by itself. You know, see. how we know the red? You know, they got the spot on the tail right there, a black spot. It carry a second spot, but the second spot they don't normally have that. You know, that's like an extra spot them get. You know, look like a extra, a blessing, extra blessing. But this one is a sure one. You know, anytime you see a red, always have a black spot on the tail right here. Yeah, so this is a small one, baby. Yeah, so this one, I guess we're gonna put this one back. This is, if we keep this one, we're gonna be in trouble, you know.
Yeah.
See, good size, good size. I mean, in Jamaica, we'll definitely keep this. You understand? And if I measure this one, it's gonna measure about probably 10 inches or 12 inches. No. This one is measuring 11 inches. 11 inches. My tape measure is rusty and old, you know, but just show you the amount of work right now. This is 11 inches. That's a baby. So we're going to drop this one back in the water. Alright, watch. People, release. Yeah, I'm gone, you know. But I hope I'm not go down there go tell the rest of the fish them are going up here, you know. Because they have a way to do that, you know. Them go chat. I said, boy, you know, so some people up at top there, 2 foot people them. So something up there, monster up there, set line for we. So we don't know bite no more line. But we don't want that, you know. So I always want them when we throw them back. They don't go down there go talk while going up here. Alright, so Sharon, anything else? The line is slack, you know, that one is slack. Check that one there.
I'm gonna wash it.
No man, fish maybe carry it in, you know. You said come in, all the way in. You sure?
Right.
Okay. Alright, my friend. I know you know your things, sir. Alright, so that's a feature you feel like a while, you know. Because we love the thing, you know. And then, you know, we have more people coming in. Let me see where you're going now. How you bait it now?
Yeah, man, I get that one here tail rip, man.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, when we come on there, so I met the people and see how you bait it. See there?
Yeah.
See.
One here tail rip.
Curve it round right on the tail like that and curve it. Yeah, that's it.
And hide the hook, you know, we hide the hook inside.
The point of the hook actually hide between the
head
legs, the legs. So the point of the hook actually look like, you know, you can hardly see it, but if you can look good, you see it. You can see the shrimp is more like transparent, and you can see the hook inside of the shrimp. You see? You can see it inside, and it curves around.
This is a headless one. We took off the head.
So she actually, this is how this type of bait, when you set them like this, you set this directly for croaker. You know, but other fish will take it up to, you know, but the croaker them don't miss that. You know, when you take off the head of the shrimp, the dead shrimp, you strip off the head and strip off the tail. You know, the croaker them take it without a doubt, then grab it. And then she's doing another one now where you go across the hand. Right across the hand, right? Yeah, so actually I set up this rig with 3 hooks. Is that there are 3 hooks on this rig? And this rig is called it's a drop rig, right? So you can't go straight ahead, you know. You can't see right. Yeah. Alright. There she go. Alright, Sharon, I see you. You're gonna put that on the truck? Alright. Alright. Anyway, people, like more, yeah? Yeah, so you know what? We're leaving, we're heading back home after a long day of fishing, you know. We start out this morning at 3:30 to be exact. And now it's 8 minutes after 3, and you see that's the water over there, and you know we're leaving out, heading back home. We have a long drive ahead of us, more than an hour drive, you know. So when later on we're gonna share, you know, the catch with you. The catch was successful, you know. It was good, you know. We got big fish, we got small species fish, big species fish, you know, different type, you know. So, you know, it's a mixture. So thank you very much for sharing your time with us. Yep, as you can see, we still have a lot of people out there, and that's the beach side out there. People out there catching same way, catching fish. A lot of people out there catching fish. And but our time up. We're heading home. Yep, we are heading home. So later on, I'll share some more, you know, clips with you. All right. So walk good.